Guys, today I'm showing you this. Guys, so today I'm showing you a Predator engine. This is my first and ever Predator from our local store, Harbor Freight. And we got this. See, I'm not going to pull this rope forward because we have no oil in it. Brand new, just bought it today. And it has everything on it. And it's fully capable of doing a go-kart that my daddy had when he was a little kid. Has no engine on it. Has stuff that maybe needs to be replaced. But we are going to fix it. So, let's get explaining what this thing does. Alright, so this engine, basically is a 212cc gas engine, and basically it's Predator, and I will have to run it every check the oil every 8 hours and operate properly. So basically I will it says I must run it. You must run engine 15 to 20 minutes every 3 months. So tomorrow we are starting it up, and I'm going to make the continuing to this vlog. Now this is the first time this engine has ever been ran. I can't wait. Oh, thank you, Harbor Freight, for this engine. And hey buddy. And I'm going to put a thumbnail in the video of this engine. My computer, so I'm going to have to reload my computer. Guys, it is very cool. So my daddy has an old, basically, I'm going to lay down. It's very chilly today. So this engine is very new. So basically it has everything. On this, it's where you put your sprocket, your clutch. Where your clutch goes. It's where the engine turns over and you actually get the power to run. This is oil carburetor. This is a nice carburetor, actually. See the drain? Both of these are drain. There's a little float. This is the carburetor. Oh, this is the carburetor. Everything. This is the air filter. On this side, see the valve cut off. This is that's the this black one's off and on. Yeah, okay. And this is to choke. This one, choke. And this little one here, this little one, and this big one is the clutch. Basically, it's the throttle. But tomorrow we're just gonna let it throttle. Exhaust is to where the valves are. So the valves. And I'll show you. Okay, so this is a piston. This is what's inside of there. And this looks like the same kind of piston maybe that's inside of here. This is the old one I took apart. Very old one. And it says overhead valve. It's an overhead valve. And I like this engine very much. In this middle here, this little thing sticking out, it's a spark plug. So guys, this engine's brand new. Just bought it. So as I said, I'll continue this vlog tomorrow and make the thumbnail tomorrow. What the hell was that for? What was that for, dog? I love my dog, but guys, I love this engine, and we are gonna run it tomorrow. So there's a little boat down here. That's the oil drain. See, it does not have oil, but it was ran. But we have to break it in tomorrow. So you guys will see you tomorrow. Take it easy, man. Peace. See you tomorrow. This ain't running, not the break-in. So this is of it running. This is the engine you saw last night. You'll see a little clip popping up right now. Guys, today I'm showing you this. I have a picture of it running.